Hi guys, I'm Rebecca Probst, and I'm about to liven up this outdoor metal accent light using Rust-Oleum's Custom Spray 5-in-1. The 5 spray patterns on this can are going to help me paint the intricate sections on this light a whole lot easier, with less drips and overspray and a nicer end result. Let's get started. I like to make my outdoor spaces bright and colorful, so I'm going to use this gloss Tuscan Sun for a gorgeous summery yellow. I'm going to start by choosing the standard setting for the big part of the light and the base on the wall. Standard is going to be great for these medium-sized areas. It's a good setting to use as a starting point for any project. Now I'll switch to low output, which I'm going to use on some of these smaller details on the light, like the edges of the base and where the rod connects to the base of the light. Low output uses less paint, so I won't be wasting paint to cover these small sections. Plus, it helps prevent drip, so even though the light is a little high up, we'll still see a nice even coat. Now, once our paint dries, we'll put it back up on the wall, twist in our bulb, and reveal the finished product. Look at how nice and bright that yellow is from the inside out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch all of our videos in this series to learn how Custom Spray 5-in-1 can help you spray anything.